Dear students, today I will discuss with you some important questions from the chapter solution. Okay, the first question, which of the following solutions have to have the highest boiling point? So these are the choices given. 1 molar sodium hydroxide solution, 10 molar sodium sulfate solution, C 1 molar ammonium nitrate, D 1 molar potassium nitrate. So see, out of the choices, B choice is the correct answer, because you see it is molar, it is 10, and also it has Na2, means number of ions are more. So if number of ions are more, then the highest boiling point, it has the highest in boiling point. Okay. Next, the unit of ebullioscopic constant is what? So ebullioscopic constant comes in the chapter elevation in boiling point. It means suppose you are adding at boiling point of water, you are taking 100. Okay, boiling point of water is 100. So if we add some salt or solute, its boiling point increases greater than 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. So why this is so? Because adding the solute or some salts, the boiling point increases. Okay. So from this ebullition, it is known as elevation boiling point constant. So the relation is that is delta TB boiling point is equal to KBM molar. So Kb is your ebullioscopic constant. So Kb is equal to delta Tb divided mole. So choice A is the correct answer. Kg mole inverse or K molality inverse. Next, in comparison to a 0.01 m solution of glucose, the depression in freezing point of a 0.01 m magnesium chloride solution is what? Okay, so these are the choices given. Okay, so out of the choice, C is the correct answer. About it is 3 times. Why it is 3 times? Because in MgCl2 you see 0.01 molar MgCl2 number of ions, its molarity is 0.03 molar particles, number particles concentration, which is 3 times. So this 0.03, because MgCl2 number of particles are 3, so its concentration is 3 times that of the 0.01 solution of glucose. Therefore it is choice C is the correct answer. Next, the Van 't Hoff's factor for potassium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium sulfate respectively are what? The Van 't Hoff factors. You see, number of ions here is 2, here is 2, here is 3. So 2, 2, 3. This is the correct answer. Okay. So Van 't Hoff factor depends on the number of ions. Potassium chloride 2 ion, 2 ion, this is 3 ion. Okay. Next, value of Henry's constant Kh. Value of Henry's constant. What is Henry's constant? You see, the partial pressure, hence constant is related to partial pressure. Partial pressure is, okay, the partial pressure is directly proportional to the your what? The mole fraction. Xc is the mole fraction. Partial pressure is proportional to the mole fraction. Okay. So you can write partial pressure is equal to Kh mole fraction. This Kh is known as your what? Henry's constant. Okay. Kh is known as Henry's constant. So value of Henry's constant Kh increases with increased temperature. It increases with increased temperature. So choice A is the correct answer. Next, the value of Henry's constant Kh is what? These are the choices. Okay, so out of this choice, B is the correct answer. Greater for gases with lower solubility. Greater for gases with lower solubility. Okay, so have a good day.